Hello! Yesterday I put a question up on our LinkedIn page about what does your business do well? So this is another conversation question that you can ask. And again, as I've said in my previous videos, if you're going to ask the question, then they're probably going to ask you back. So you have to be ready to answer the question, not just give it. So what does your business do well? All right. A lot of things can fall under this. Okay. My suggestion for this one is that you pick one aspect, one part of the business, and focus on that, because it's very easy to get lost in the details. Okay. The person that you're talking to probably just wants the highlights. They want just the most important thing. So focus on those. Okay. Some things to help with that is, why is it special? Why is that particular thing special? Why are people coming to your business? What's special about your company? What do you do? Okay? So with that, it could be almost anything. So like with the Big Mac, it's a special sauce. With Apple, it's their customer ecosystem where everything works together so smoothly. Okay? With our business, what's special about it is the way that we treat every student and that we make them all comfortable, and that's a big part of our business, is that the students have to feel comfortable if they're going to use the English well. So that's why we're special. We're so special that our customers recommend us to their friends. So that's the kind of thing that you can talk about. Okay? The next is there a story behind it? Okay? So for example, with McDonald's, the Ray Kroc meeting Dick and Mac McDonald. Okay, that's the beginning. That's where it all started. So that story talks about how they created this very efficient system of producing food. Okay, that was the beginning of it. Ray Kroc came along and saw it and realized that it was a gold mine. That's the story. It goes on. If you're interested in more of it, you can check out The Founder, which was an excellent movie I watched the other week. Okay. The story. What's the story? Okay. Telling a good story can make your business come alive to the person. Okay. So thinking about what is the important story behind your business. Okay. For ULC, Matt decided that the schools here in Singapore were not providing a good experience to the students. And so he set about starting a school that would provide an excellent experience for the student, make them feel comfortable, give them a chance to speak. Small class sizes were a key part of that. Many of the schools at the time had 20 and 30-person classes. And he said, that's too much. And so he created a school that fulfilled his vision. And today we are up to 13 classes and looking at expanding from there. The next thing, how does it affect your customers? How do your customers feel? How do your customers react? Okay, if you talk to people who are Samsung owners or Apple owners, they have very definite feelings about how they feel about their phones, why they chose which phone they chose. Okay, you need to think about your business and what your customers think about your business, and figure out a way to express that in the way that the person that's listening to you will get it. If they're not already your customer, they may not understand. Making them understand will give them a very clear idea of what's important in your business and why you work there. Why is it so important for you to be in that business? Okay? So these are some different things you could think about when you want to answer the question, what does your business do well? If you're unsure of the kind of grammar you should use, check out our YouTube channel. It has some very good lessons on particular grammar points. If you're interested in studying these kinds of questions in more detail, check out our webpage and look at having a trial lesson with us. I hope to see you in the future.